In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to meeting invites in Microsoft Outlook. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can confidently reply to any meeting request that lands in your inbox. First, start by opening the meeting request email. This is the message that contains all the key details: the date and time, the location or online meeting link, and any notes or attachments the organizer included. Take a moment to review those details carefully so you know what you're agreeing to and whether it fits your schedule. At the top of that meeting request, you'll see three options: accept, tentative, and decline. Choose the one that best reflects your availability. Accept means you plan to attend and are confirming your spot. Tentative is a great choice when you're not fully sure yet, but want to hold the time while you confirm other commitments. Decline communicates that you can't make it, which is helpful for the organizer to plan accordingly. Pick the option that aligns with your situation. Your selection helps the organizer track attendance and ensures your calendar stays accurate. After you click your choice, Outlook will ask how you want to respond. You have 3 ways to send your reply. Send the response now is the fastest and most common. Outlook immediately notifies the organizer and moves on. Edit the response before sending lets you include a short message, which is especially useful if you're marking tentative or decline. A brief note like, "I have a conflict but will join if it resolves," or "unable to attend, thank you for the invite,"